So I finished building out all of the manhole feature definitions. And next I'm going to move into a head wall example. So I've started building out the folder path here. And I've set the description and name seed. This is an example where this value really doesn't matter, where we just have a single cell, so the height will always be defined from the cell model. But I'm going to put that as 1 just to be consistent with the others, and then use slope of surface true. We'll set the structure type to head wall. We'll come back to the prototype and then make sure you set your point, connection, and solid feature symbologies. So I finished building out all of the head wall feature definitions, and I'll move to outfalls next. So I'm going to handle this a little differently. I'm going to actually copy from my head walls. Okay, so first I build out the folder structure, and then I'm going to go into my head wall folder. And we can't copy an entire folder, but what we can do instead is we can, within a folder, we can copy those feature definitions. Then I'll go down and select all of the copies, and I'm going to cut these and then paste them down into this folder here. Now from here I'm going to do a bulk selection of all these copies and just deselect the actual folders. And then I'm going to right click and open up the details panel, and I'm going to do some edits here just to make it a little faster. So first I'm going to get rid of H-wall and replace that with out. Alright, so we'll do all of that. And we want to do the selected cells only. So that's going to be IN1 replacing with just IN. Alright, and a few more things. I'm going to do the name seed here, so I'll just go and edit that. And then everything else I'm going to define inside of the properties here. So I still have these selected in bulk. One thing I want to change is the structure type to outfall. I'm also going to set the head wall connection region to outfall. And then I'm going to go ahead and get these in a closer folder path. Right, so I'm just going to start here with my flared end. And then from here, it's going to be manual, where I'm going to click on each feature definition and then assign the correct symbologies. And I'll do that for all of these. And lastly, I'll create the cross sections. So I'll go ahead and create the first feature definition. So I've defined the description, the name seed, set the default height to 1. We're going to use the slope of surface, set the structure type to a cross section, and then I went ahead and set all the symbologies. Now for all of my cross sections, I'm going to have the same connection region symbology. I'm also going to have the same point feature symbology. And it's just the solid feature symbology that I'll need to change as I copy this out.